good sleep meditation is anything that supports you in releasing the day. I can't emphasize that enough. That's why sometimes we can't sleep, is because we are just ruminating about the day. So it's whatever helps you release. And again, remember, you're not just your physical body. I want you to release your thoughts. Like, what are these dominant thoughts that are occupying your mind? You can imagine them being on a leaf. You can place that thought and seeing it float down the river. That's kind of like one cool technique, is just, okay, there's a thought, just let it flow. We have like up to 50 to 90,000 thoughts a day. So it's impossible to control the thoughts. It's simply observing them and not feeding them. So releasing thoughts, it's releasing tension. You could do a body scan. You can relax your shoulders or anywhere you carry tension. You can also release scenarios or interactions that you had throughout the day. Like, did you send an email and now you're ruminating about how was it perceived in interaction with your boss or a fight with someone? It's like, we all have these things. But if you're holding on to these before sleep, it will affect your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep and wake up refreshed. So again, releasing, letting go. And more techniques are, think about 1 to 3 things you're grateful for your day, or something that you're super proud of or felt good. Some days that you know what they are, and some days you have to search for them, but you can think of at least 1 to 3 things, right? And I really want you to feel it in your body, maybe the joy, the appreciation of that thing, the celebration, because then your cells are responding, you're elevating your frequency, your vibration, you're feeling good, and then amplify it. Keep basking in that feeling. And then if it feels good to you, you can intend, while I'm sleeping, I'm opening to inner guidance, wisdom, downloads from your higher self, whatever is in your languaging, so that you're open to receiving your intuitive wisdom. And then my favorite thing is to say, I'm going to wake up refreshed tomorrow to a brand new body, a brand new mind, a brand new environment, because every day is a brand new start. And if you need more support, I have a YouTube channel for you with guided meditations. You can check the caption below.